फेस्टिवल है ये अपना अलग रूप रखा है।
বলেনে বুলে বন ময়না মুকু বকুল দিয়া পানির ঘর
Since the inception of the Karbi society, they have their own traditional administrative system in order to ensure proper and smooth functioning of socio-cultural life of the Karbis. The Ser Hongthom Ame is a common platform consisting of 3 Karbi kingdoms, that is Rongkhang Longri, Chingthong Longri and Amri Longri. All the Karbi kings, that is Lingdok Pos, and all other ministers, Pinpo Habis, were invited to grace the occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebrations. The volunteer subcommittee has taken a very vital role for proper and smooth functioning of the festival and for maintenance of peace and discipline. They are patrolling round the clock during the week-long festival.
Neng Ruptali Asengkan, Taralang Solong, Reception Committee, Ahin Pen, Nili Mipo Ahin Pen, Kado Kawe, Dak Keklen Kedampon along Reception Committee, Ahin Pen, Kripli Asap Committee do.